Hey everyone, I hope you're doing really great on this Tuesday afternoon. My name is Jeff Jones and I am from theboxman.com where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And I'm really excited about what's on my screen right now. I am waiting for my Z Minis. They're Z Mini, Formula Z Mini Android OTT media streamer. I want to just go from their website. I've seen some on eBay and whatnot, and I've already put my order in for 20 to 50. So these are better than an Amazon Fire Stick and TiVo or whatever these devices, as we'll see in a moment, are not as inexpensive as a Fire Stick, but they have so much more capability because, as we know, Fire Stick and Amazon's operating system are going to be changing. So looks like Formula is way ahead of the game. So if I go on down a little bit, it says it's small but mighty, introducing the new Z Mini that delivers powerful performance in a miniature size. Don't let the small size fool you. It streams 4K HDR contents with ease. With Formula's exclusive MyTV Online 3, so it has the MyTV Online 3 media viewing client. Z Mini is the perfect solution that lets you enjoy media streaming, unlock premium and ultra high definition OTT. So, and it definitely has the embedded Widevine Level 1 DRM. If you don't know what that is, I'll put the video up so you'll know exactly what it is. And it also comes with the Bluetooth remote. So they give you the BT1 remote that works with Google Assistant, and you can see the size of it. It plugs right into the back of any TV. As you can see, it has Android 12. It has 2 GB DDR4 RAM and 8 GB of storage. No stick has that capability off the top. So it gives you some of the best processing speeds and things of that nature. And they call it the hidden gem of streaming. So it's very easy to install. And then you got this quick media streaming. I seen this before, the QMS. It experiences, you know how you change a channel and maybe it goes down to a lower definition than the one you're on and it just sludges its way in. Well, with the new technology on this device, you'll experience really seamless transitions with quick media switching. It's ensuring uninterrupted enjoyment of your favorite content without the screen going black. So that's some good information on that. And we got smoother game day, reduced lag because of the GPU, the Mali G57. And this mini, I think it's $119 on eBay that I've seen. And I'm like, wow, good thing I'm getting those at a discounted price. And of course, you have the trend of My TV Online 3, and you can always discover what that is. So keep it simple, keep it elegant. One of the main things I love about any Formula device is this, where it has no ads. No ads. I don't need a bunch of adverts popping up like it does on Amazon devices and all those other devices because they want to try to tame us and tell us what we need to watch. Formula is ad free. It allows you to watch what you want to watch in the way you want to, and it's always good that way. So some of the best decoding technologies available, plus you get the advanced Bluetooth voice remote with the universal TV control. Really awesome. And last but not least, you'll have access, because of My TV Online 3, to this new app called My TV Online Plus. Okay, this is an app that works in conjunction with any of the Formula devices, the Z10 Pro, the Z Mini, the Pro, the Z11. You can download this application or install it to your Android device and scan a QR code so you can have it anyway, any day, anytime in your hand. So let's take a look at what it looks like. Very clean, very concise. What's in the box? It shows you what's in the box. And then you got a gallery here, which is very nice. And then there's some of the specs. So I wanted to make this really quick video because it's really important that I share with you what's coming out. I probably will have these maybe on March 20th, and because they're being shipped to us, literally. And I would love to hear your feedback once you start seeing the videos. And if you want to purchase one, I can help you with that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for so much for being in tune. If I've missed something, just let me know. Or if you have any suggestions, I'm open to hearing them. Thanks again. Have a good day.